This is the graphics card. This is how you get it. What you expect to receive. It's not too large, so it fits. Also, this is the connector, 12 pin connector. Actually, it has a few extra sensing pins. And the cable they provided needs to go into this thing here, and should be something like that. So I'll try to insert it now just to show you. Okay, you have these pins here, they go into that one there. So I did a click. There is no yellow. You don't see any yellow. That's how it's supposed to be installed. After you install your graphics card, you make sure this connector doesn't show any yellow like this. So I pulled a bit the cable to show you. And if you want to remove it, you have to press on this pin, this tab, and wiggle it out. But you see that yellow? You should not see that. It should be like this. It should be like this, no yellow, and this should click. It's a very fine click. So I'm pulling it. Okay, now it's out. It's a bit difficult to remove it. This is the hardest part of this install. If you're going to install this, getting this right is the hardest part. And after you install it, make sure you check this cable to make sure it's seated all the way. I like that they put the yellow here, so it's easier to tell.